Hey, what's up guys? Today what we're going to be doing is getting some 37-inch tires mounted up on my F250 back here. This F250 has a 2.5-inch ready lift leveling kit with Fox 2.0 shocks. So basically what I'm going to show y'all is I'm going to show y'all like a little before and after, explain some things about the tires, show you guys how it fits, and then show you guys how much it rubs, because it is going to rub a little bit with these stock wheels since they don't really have much offset to them. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you guys the truck, what it looks like stock with these tires and the leveling kit on it. So as you can see, it looks kind of goofy with these little tires with the leveling kit on there. There's the 37s back there. But I mean, it's just like tons of space in there. So hopefully the 37-inch tire will fill it out a little bit more, look a little bit better on there. As you see here, it's the Ready Lift leveling kit. It's a 2.5-inch puck that goes on top of the shock, or sorry, on top of the spring, and then it's got the Fox 2.0 shocks over here. So the truck sits pretty level with that on there. Looks pretty good in my opinion, but it just looks goofy with these little tires on here. So just show you guys what these tires measure out to on here. Measures out to be about 31.5, 32 inches, something like that. Now these tires, they are not the stock tires that come on the truck to my knowledge, because this is some funky brand. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Patagonia all-terrains. These tires will be for sale. They're pretty much brand new. But the dealer up in Maryland had to put these on here because Maryland has a state inspection, and they said that these tires probably weren't going to pass. So this is the 37-inch ridge grappler that'll be going on there. 37, 1250, 18, because it's an 18-inch wheel. So that's the height right there. That's the width, 12.5 inches wide, and then that's the size of the wheel or rim or whatever you want to call it. Something interesting about these ridge grapplers is, if you notice, they have two different tread patterns on the outside. So you got this one right here, and then on the other side you have kind of a more aggressive looking one. So you see it's got these little like hole things in it. I don't really know, but I think I'm gonna go with this side out. If you guys have these tires and you're having somebody mount them, make sure to put which side, or let them know which side you want mounted on the outside. Otherwise you might get some mismatched ones, and most good tire places will notice. But hey, you know, all tire places are not created equal. As you see here, I've got some lights waiting to go on the truck. I'll be putting those on. They'll be in one of my future videos. They are not what you think they are. I know they're in the Morimoto box, but they are not Morimotos. Y'all just gonna have to wait to see that. And then I got a grill right here. So if y'all didn't know, we got goats. Here's Woody. Woody, where you going, buddy? Come here. He didn't like me chasing him around. He's crazy. And then here's the other two goats, Woody and Rex, or sorry, Buzz and Rex. I'm stupid.
Dude, you're such a bad goat dad.
I'm a bad goat dad. Here's a good goat mom right here.
A little dirty from their house, but.
All right, come take me to the tire shop. Come drop it off. Look at that girl. All right, guys, we're pulling back up to Chico's Tire. If you guys are in Jacksonville, North Carolina, make sure to check these guys out. They do good work, and I'm telling you, they'll beat anybody's price in town. That's the first look, but let me go on and pay for this thing first. All right, guys, I got the new tires on there. 37, 1250, 18. Nitto ridge grapplers. I went ahead, I put the more aggressive side on the outside. Tires look pretty good. I mean, they got a decent amount of tread left. See on the Ready Lift 2.5-inch. So go ahead and let y'all see that. I'm gonna show you guys how bad it scrubs, but first, I mean, it's really not that bad, but first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys my new grill, and I'm actually gonna throw that thing on today while I'm at it. All right, so I got it out of the wrapping. As you can see, I got this grill. It's a takeoff from, I think it's like the new F250s with the trimmer package. They have the black grill on them. Looks like somebody removed it, probably put something aftermarket, maybe did like I don't know, platinum grill or something, who knows. I don't know why you'd buy the trimmer and take it off, but I got this grill. As you can see, the emblems are different. This one is made for if you are rich and you have the forward looking camera. So what I'm gonna do is just swap the emblems over real quick so I don't look goofy, and throw this thing on. These emblems come off really easy. All you do is remove these three things and push this thing out, and it comes off pretty easy. Guys, I'm gonna show you how the 37s do when you turn the wheel all the way. So go ahead and turn it all the way to the right. So as you can see, I'm gonna get up under here. It is very close to hitting this. So when you turn it all the way, this will hit right here. Okay? So over here though, in the back, again, if you turn it hard, it will hit right there. But I mean, you don't have to turn it much harder than this. This is pretty good right here. So should be fine, just like this. Hey, what's up guys? Hey, right now what I'm doing is I'm driving down from the DC area. I'm headed down to Richmond, Virginia. As you guys know, I got a 37-inch Nitto ridge grapplers on my 2017 F250 powerstroke. And I love those tires. They're awesome tires. I had the same tires on my 2016 F150, and I put like about 50,000 miles on them, and they still had a lot of life on them. So I love that tire. It rides smooth, it's quiet, and honestly it does pretty well in the dirt as well. So not that I like take my trucks mudding or anything, but I do take them in some sugar sand every now and then, and it does pretty well. So I love the 37s that I have on my stock wheels, but the thing that I hate about the stock wheels is they're only 18 inches and they don't really have much offset to them. And I don't want to run a spacer on them. I know a lot of people do, but it's just not really my thing. So what I want to do is I want to get a set of 22 by 12 wheels for my Super Duty. And I've been looking at tires, and I think I'm going to do like a 35, and I wanted to get some Nitto ridge grapplers. So I got on Facebook Marketplace, started looking around, and I actually found a set of 35, 1250, 22 ridge grapplers in Richmond, which is right on the way from DC to North Carolina. As you guys know, I'm stationed in North Carolina. I'm just up in the DC area working on a special project for work right now. And I'm going home for the weekend so I can see my girlfriend for Valentine's Day. So I figured I might as well grab these tires on my way down. They're an awesome deal. And it's only about 5 minutes off the interstate, which works out well. So the tires are 35, 1250, 22s, and they're only $1,000, and they're brand new, which is an amazing price. If you guys have looked, these tires go for about $1,700 to $1,800, depending on who you buy from. So if I can save, you know, $700, $800, I'm definitely all about it. All right. Now the only problem is I have a rental car right now, so it's a Nissan Rogue. Because I'm up in DC, I don't want to, you know, drive my truck around up there. It's kind of a pain to park in all the parking lots and parking garages and stuff. So we're gonna see if 4 35-inch tires will fit in a Nissan Rogue. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video, and I'll cut to whenever I pick up the tires. Come along in here, and got this one in the front seat. I gotta kind of lift it up to move the gear shifter, and then I got this other one in the back. So yeah, these you know, if you're looking at a Nissan Rogue and you're like, man, I don't know if I could fit 4 35-inch tires in here, I'll tell you, boy, it could be done. It's just gonna get bad gas mileage with this hatch open like this. I drove about 3 hours with these tires in here like this, so I had to tie the hatch down. Stopped at like a dollar store and bought these it's like some cheap cord to tie it down. Tied it down to where the seats close, and worked pretty freaking good. All right, smelled like rubber in here, as you can see. Not a lot of space in here. I'll go ahead and show you guys. That's how I was driving right here, just tire all up in my way. So that was funny, but yeah, got her here. There's the truck over there. And I think I'm gonna get these things unloaded. I'm just gonna put them in the garage because I'm not gonna have time to put them on this weekend, and I gotta go back up north for work. So I'll have them here, and the next video you guys see of these tires, they'll be going on some 22 by 12. See, these are 35 1250 22s. $1,000, couldn't pass these boys up. Wish I could, you know, get them for this price all day. I'd make good money on them. So here's the new 35 compared to the old 37. Obviously, when these things are on wheel, they're gonna sit a little bit different. They'll kind of stretch out a little bit more on the wheel. But I mean, you can't beat these Ridge grapplers. They're awesome freaking tires. It's gonna look cool with a 22 on there. It'll look real nice on there on the leveled setup. Looking forward to getting this thing. I'm gonna go over to the local wrap shop and see if they have anything that matches the ruby red today. If they have it, I'll see if my buddy Vasily can order it. See if it matches. A lot of people say the ruby red is hard to find a match for. Like literally everybody argues with me on the F250 groups and the F150 groups whether you can find a color that matches the ruby red. So I'm just gonna try to get as close as I can to the color. As you guys see here, it's got like a bunch of flake in it, so I could see where it'd be hard to get an exact match, but to be honest, as long as it looks pretty close, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it. I don't care. I can't stand the chrome. Waiting on my built headlights. I got built headlights coming for it, OEM LEDs that have been opened and paint matched to the ruby red. Put the grill on there. I'm gonna order new emblems, so gonna get some ruby red emblems for the front and the rear, and then I'm trying to find a two-wheel drive valance. And just so you guys know, I am an idiot. You guys were saying a lot of stuff to me, like literally everybody had to comment, let me know what an idiot I was, because you can change the fan speed right here, and I'm just an idiot and I didn't notice it. So I thought you could only do it to the screen, but I'm an idiot, and I'm the first to admit that I don't know everything. But it's all good because I got awesome subscribers like you guys that can kind of set me straight. So haven't driven the truck for a week. Looking forward to driving it around for the weekend, enjoying it. Parked that rental over there. Tired of driving that thing. It is pretty cool. It's all-wheel drive, I guess. Whatever. I would never drive something like that. But yeah, little updates. We're currently looking for cams for the Fox body, so that's the next thing that we're doing to the Fox. Wes got the two-step all set up on there, so the next video will be on that. It'll be kind of going over the two-step and how we set that up with the MSD ignition. Nothing really new with the S550 with the 2015 Mustang. This pile's been here. I don't know if you guys have seen this. This is our buddy Holden's. Wes is doing a couple mods to it. Doing a... I can open this dang hood. He did a different intake manifold. I had to get that MMR plate on there. Got the aftermarket fuel rails. Put some I think they're like BBK headers on there, and he's got an aluminum radiator. He's got, oh, it's already in there, sweet. Made by SVE. That's the same people that make the wheels for the S550. But yeah, I think Wes is waiting on some fittings, and he's at Lights Out 11 down in Georgia right now for that race. I wish I could have made it to that because I was up in DC, and honestly, I didn't feel like driving 10, 12 hours to go there and watch a race since I was already coming down from DC. But I'll be able to catch it next year. So like I said, no updates on the S550. Literally, it's just been sitting here. Love this car, how awesome and reliable it is, but I haven't really messed with it. Don't really have any future plans. Maybe drop a pulley size and maybe do E85. I don't know. I kind of don't want to mess with this. I really want to focus on the Fox body from now on. So that way, you know, this is cheap if it breaks, where this, if I blow the motor, it is very expensive. Here are these headlights. I'm actually shipping these things out today. I had a guy buy these off of me. These are OEM LEDs with ballast. Sold them for about $1,500.